So welcome to the session on type column for the semester 4 BSc Biology program. And here we will be dealing with the skin structure. The skin of Columba is dry, loose, hard, and thin, and it consists of an outer epidermis. You can see over here, it is several layered, and inner dermis. Epidermis, it is ectodermal in origin, and dermis, it is mesodermal in origin. When we speak about the epidermis is several layers thick, and it is composed of outermost layer of epitracheum, middle layer of stratum corneum is the layer, and the innermost layer, the stratum malpighi. Okay. So each layer, if we see, the epitracheum is composed of a single row of flattened cells. They are delicate flattened cells that form the outermost epitracheal layer. The middle stratum corneum, on the other hand, is horny in nature, and it is protective layer, and it is made up of flat cornified cells, and hence the name stratum corneum. It is modified to form several exoskeletal structures such as scales on the feet, rhamphotheca on the beaks, claws and claws and feathers, which covers the most of the body. So actually, when we will be dealing with the different exoskeletal structures, all those exoskeletal structures have taken its origin from the stratum corneum. Okay. Now the innermost layer of the stratum germinativum, or the stratum malpighi, okay, it is made up of large cylindrical, continuously dividing cells, and it is these cells that divide and actually give rise to stratum corneum and the epitracheal layer. Okay, so the cells of the stratum corneum and the epitracheum, it takes its origin from the stratum malpighi or stratum germinativum. Right now, regarding the dermis, the stratum germinativum of epidermis is followed by the dermal layer. You can see internal stratum malpighi of the germinativum. It is followed by the dermis layer. And the dermis consists of muscle fibers, nerve fibers, blood vessels, connective tissue, and the such associated structures. The epidermis and dermis have no pigmented cells, and however, pigments occur in the scales and feathers. Okay. The skin lacks sweat glands or any other cutaneous glands, except the preen gland or the uropygeal gland or the oil gland that is present dorsally at the base of the tail, which we have already mentioned when we spoke about the morphological structure of Columba. Okay, so this is it about the skin structure. Thank you.